Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Asante sana.
Yeah. Take care.
Salama sana. Thank you.
Karibu.
Yes, I know. Thank you.
Asante.
Good. Interesting to know that there's some working with them before. And they are personal friends.
They are good people, very experienced, and they know their work. So I can attest to the fact that in the PSS and the Inspector General and the entire team, you are teaming up with a very, very capable team. And that is why our security situation remains very robust and steadfast. To me, we are always learning. There's always a learning process. It's continuous. So the whole idea of interaction is good. The other thing is to state that we are not alien. We are in this country, we are in the same government. So aspects of consultation must continue as they have been doing before. In fact, in the coordination function, we work very, very closely with the Interior Ministry, particularly on matters of data, Dangao, and to coordinate the government. We work very, very closely. And then also on matters of foreign or diplomatic issues, again, we are very closely intertwined. We are both, the two departments or ministries are in the National Security Council. So there's need to share a lot of information from time to time on the various issues, on matters of immigration, matters of work permits, issues around human rights and so forth. As they fall on your desk, they equally fall on the foreign ministry. So we are closely intertwined.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Prime Cabinet Secretary, the PSS President here, the senior government officials in this ministry. First, let me thank you, Your Excellency, for taking your time off your very, very busy schedule to facilitate this transition. I must note that you are actually the brain behind the transition bill and properly coordinated transition processes. And I thank you very much for taking that time to be here. And I want to thank everybody here for being present, availing yourself at a very short notice, despite your very busy schedule, to come and receive me to this ministry. And I look forward to all of us working together to deliver on the security issues and the coordination of national government work in different parts of our country. I must say that I want to thank His Excellency the PCS for the work he has done, for the period that he has acted, not just in this ministry, but in many other ministries. And I think he's still acting in one more ministry up to now. And it hasn't been easy. And he does it with a lot of finesse and gentleness and quietness that is extremely admirable, and which can only be achieved through many years of experience in public service. And I must say, Your Excellency, you are a special asset to us who are in the cabinet, even as you do your coordination work. And every time we run up to you for ideas, we benefit from your immense wisdom. And I have no doubt in my mind that just as I have come to you in the other ministries where I've been, working with you together also on matters related to security and coordination of national government functions is going to be a very enjoyable journey together.